No, I'm playing. Yo, what's up, everyone? It's your man, Busy Brown. I am super excited to get this in. So, I reacted to the last vlog, and I made it really clear that I wanted him to make a separate video of Jonah's reaction on the helicopter, and I guess it's here, you know, and I am super, I can't, you know, I'm super excited. I react to every one of his vlogs. If you're new to the channel, it would mean a lot if you could smash that subscribe button, especially if you love David Dobrik content, because I react to every one of his videos, including his second channel, and I love doing it. Yeah, that's pretty much it, man. But like seeing his reaction in the vlog was just fantastic, and I was like, yo, we need a whole video dedicated to this, because I mean, 10 seconds is nowhere close to enough. But his video was full of other stuff, so I do not blame him for doing that, but I'm glad he took the time to make a second video, because I mean, back to back on 2 different days, you know, like that's not really, that's different, and it's awesome, like taking the time to do that. So I guess without further ado, I'm just really excited to get into this, so let's get busy.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my second channel. This video is sponsored by Need for Speed Heat. The game is out now. This entire video is all about our Miami trip. If you want to go get, and I told him if he's not,
I wanted to skip that.
Below. This video is the behind the scenes of all the Miami stuff that I couldn't fit into the regular vlog, so I put it on here. Enjoy it. Take it out! It's gonna blow! What do you mean?
Oh my god.
Just some morning frames. Alright guys, we have a big EA brand deal.
Take me to Van Nuys Airport for a private jet with my best friends.
Yeah! You have to repeat
the
that.
life.
You have to call your best friends, bro. Yesterday I was on the phone with Jonah, and I told him if he's not at my house at 6 on the dot, I get to shoot him with a paintball gun as many times as I want. Jonah, if you're not here at 6 on the dot, I'm gonna
that phone is correct.
Okay, I give you the okay to come and shoot me with a paintball gun.
6:39. He wasn't at my house. There's Jonah. Tell him to come to my car. Tell Jonah to come to my car. He's right there. Get a shot of him. Get a shot.
It's like he not think that he's actually gonna shoot him with
Come in here. I want to vlog with you. Now where? In here? Is this where she went?
All right, guys. So we're heading to Miami.
No, I was here early. Don't you fucking shoot me, David. I was here early.
David, not in the Tesla! No, I'm sorry.
Dude, he spilled coke in the Tesla. You really think that this is gonna stop him?
If you're not at my house at 6, I get to unload my paintball gun at you. It's 6:40.
That was like 9 shots.
That was 2.
Where the fuck were you? I was at the airport for 35 minutes.
Homie, I have your location on. It was 6:20 and you were still at your house.
Why do you have my location?
Just say homie, bro.
Do it. Say what you said off camera. Say it on camera.
What did you just say about my airbag ass, Jonah?
Yeah, what'd you say?
Cannot leave this.
Come on, the oldest joke in the
My
book.
13-year-old's favorite game.
Second channel montage.
Kids that hurt.
Hey, boy. Me, bro.
That's
I
loud.
could do that all day.
I'll be honest, it's a little over the top. It's a little too much.
No, it's the perfect amount.
Oh, here we go. Look at this dude. Oh, they're gonna do this to Natalie too? Yo, I'd crap myself, no crap. No, he did it to everyone. Oh, Susie.
We just got off the butt.
Oh, I
That
wanted
was a
more.
funny meme mojo. Now we're going to the EA event, which we're late to.
That was gonna be longer,
Thankfully,
yikes.
We have this thing.
Alright. Yo, that's crazy, bro. I'm still taking the bus. Wait, that card did not match at first back
No one
then.
ever wants fresh with Jonah.
I thought that was
Jonah
French
left
Montana
his
for a
shirt
second.
at the hotel. How do you leave a shirt somewhere?
Wait, is it? No, I'm
He left it
lost.
on my yacht. That is
Don't listen
the
to me, I don't know
bullshit
what I'm
excuse.
Jonah, how's the game? Good. This is for David's vlog.
That's for David's vlog?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm having a great time.
Oh, whose
David's
vlog is this for? Is it for David's vlog? David's vlog.
Oh,
Hey, what's
David's
up, man?
vlog, man.
Hey, Jonah.
I'm having such a good time, man. Love you too, man.
This guy has 6 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 toes.
Wait,
I have to play.
I'm lost.
Man.
Wait, what? That's disgusting, bro.
4, 5, 6. Yes, 6 toes.
I have to play.
One-on-one Need for Speed. Versus.
Yikes.
It's gonna be tough.
Oh, so it was French Montana.
Jason's here to support me. I flew him all the way out for this.
Yo, Team David all the way.
Who am I rooting for?
David, you're on Team David.
I know, but French might put me on a track, you know?
Let's go, French.
Let's go, French!
Is that your friend, David?
That's my. I flew him out here. That's not fair.
Yeah, that's French Montana, man.
Yeah. Freaking French Montana.
Sweet French. he's
I've always
French
wanted to go to
now.
one of those sporting events and like play Call of Duty or something like that. That's awesome.
French.
Yeah,
That's pretty funny. I gotta give it to him. That when he fake kicked French right there, that was pretty funny.
Oh my god.
How many #1 singles do you have,
This
David?
dude's finding his own ride home.
I need you to be on my side when I play him again.
That's right. We're gonna get a rematch.
Yo,
Why are you supporting French and not me?
I don't know. At the last minute, it just seemed like French just looked a lot cooler. He had a cool shirt
Where
on.
my support system?
Anyway, I gotta go up to the room with French right now, but I'll catch up with you guys later. Got a bunch of girls up there, so.
Alright guys, that's all the time we have for this video. Thank you guys
No.
for watching. We'll see you guys later.
Alright.
Bye.
That's tough.
Chilling out, maxing,
Oh,
relaxing.
man.
Summertime weather, fantastic.
Hey, did your 21-year-old rich friend buy you that car?
Oh,
No,
okay.
the brand did. I only have it for 48 hours, so screw you.
Alright, guys, so that's it. Oh, I wanted so much more of the helicopter scene, but I mean, I guess, I don't know, it's whatever. I'm just glad to get content in general, because I mean, the fact that we got back-to-back like that is pretty awesome. And then we got French Montana, who honestly, I don't know, I didn't recognize him at first. So I mean, like, again, I'm not like huge when it comes to like music and stuff like that, so I'm not like huge on that, but it was super cool seeing like that, you know, the whole thing in general. I was a big fan of that. But yeah, so like I said, I react to every one of his vlogs, so if you guys want to drop by and check out more of these reactions, you know, don't hesitate with that. You know, I love doing this. And that's pretty much it, though. But again, this is your man, Busy Brown. I was in the middle of editing my The Walking Dead video when this came out, my episode 6 video. So I'm gonna finish that, and then I'm gonna upload that after I do this. So I mean, that's pretty much it. That's my schedule for today. But other than that, this is your man, Busy Brown. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, peace.